how to set full screen versus mini pop-up incoming call. Which one is better on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down. Scroll down and click on call display while using apps. So after click on call display while using app, so if you want to set full screen, so click on full screen. You will see call display while using apps is set on full screen. So if you want to set mini pop-up, so you will see call display while using apps is set on mini pop-up. So if you want to set call display while using apps smart pop-up, so click on smart pop-up. So you will select full screen smart pop-up mini pop-up from here. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set full screen versus mini pop-up incoming calls. Which one is better on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.